will start the part 2 of the basis of the GAT, okay, with the exponents. Okay, how can we solve the exponents which is like this one, which is 2x and all of it is squared? How can we do it? We will square 2 and square the x. Squaring of 2, which is meaning 2 times 2, so it will be 4, and squaring of x, it will be x squared, so we will choose 4x squared. Here we have 2 outside, and inside we have 3a squared and cubic. Okay, طب how can we do it? First we will cubic a and cubic 3, so 3 power of 3, and a, which is power by 2, and then power again by 3, and we have outside 2, so 2 outside and 3 power by 3, which is meaning 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And here we have power, the power, it's meaning that we will multiply them, so a 2 times 3, it will be 6. Okay, and then we have 2 here in the outside, so we will multiply it here and multiply it here, so 2 times 27, it will be 54. And can we multiply it by a? No, we will multiply it only by 27, so it will be 54a power by 6, so the answer will be 54a power by 6. Next one, here we have 8p power by 11 over 4p power by 6. How can we solve it? We can simplify it, that we divide 8 over 4. 8 over 4 gives me 2, and p power by 11 and p power by 6, it's division, so if we have divisions, we will subtract the powers, so 11 minus 6, 11 minus 6, it will be 5, so it will be 2p power by 5, so the answer will be 2p power by 5. Here we have 3 power by x plus 1 equals 1, so x, he needs me to get the x. How can we get it? If we have the same numbers, we can get the powers. So how can we make here 3 and here 3? Any number power by 0 equals 1, so we can convert 1 to 3 power by 0, so the equation will be 3 power by x plus 1 equals this one, we will convert it to 3 power by 0. Now we have the same numbers here, so the powers will equal to each other, so x plus 1 equals to 0, so x plus 1 equals 0, so we can get x, that we will take the 1 here by negative sign, so it will be x equals -1. Next one, we have 1 over 2 power by x equals 3, and he wants me to get 1 over 8. How can we get it? Okay, how can I convert 1 over 2 to 1 over 8, which he needs? To convert 2 to 8, so I powered it by 3, which is meaning 2 times 2 times 2. So I will power here the same by 3. So it will be 3 powered by 3, which equals 27. So the answer will be 27. Here we have 1 power by 1000 plus 1 power by 0. 1 power by any number gives me 1. And any number power by 0 gives me the same 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer will be 2. Next one, we have 7 power by x minus 3, and the other side 7 power by 3x minus 6. Okay, here we have the same numbers, so we will equal the powers. So x minus 3 equals 3x minus 6. So we will solve the terms with each other. Okay, so we will take the x here, and we will solve the numbers with each other. So we will take 6 to the other side. So here it will be 3x minus x. We will take the x with negative sign, and in the other part negative 6 we will convert it to 6 with different sign, and here we have negative 3. So 6 minus 3 gives me 3, and 3x minus x gives me 2x. So the x equals 3 over 2. Okay, but here we don't have 3 over 2, okay? We have 13, we have 44, and we have 6 over 4, and we have 20.3. So we can choose the multiplies of it, which is meaning 6 over 4. How it's multiplies of it? That we times by 2 here and here. So it will be 6 over 4. So the answer will be 6 over 4. Okay, here we have 2 cubed and square root of 3 plus 2 power by 5 square root of 3, and in the down 5 square root of 3. How can we solve it? If we look to it, we have here square root of 3, square root of 3, and here we have square root of 3. So we can take it as a common factor in the outside, okay? If we take it, we will delete it from here. So we have brackets in which we have 2 power by 3 plus 2 power by 5, and in the down we have the same 5 square root of 3. So we can cancel square root of 3 with square root of 3, yes, and in the up we have 2 power by 3, which is 8, and 2 power by 5, which is equals to 32, and in the down we have 5. Okay, so 8 plus 32, it will be 40. 40 over 5, it will be 8. So the answer will be 8. Next one, we have 18 power by 2 over 3 power by 3. How can we solve it? We can solve it by, okay, we will try to simplify it. How can we simplify it? 18, which is meaning 2 times 9. Okay, and they are squared because it's squared. And down we have 3 power by 3. We can break it again, which is 2 times 3, 9, which is 3 squared, okay, power by 2, and down we have 3 power by 3. So 2 power by 2, which is meaning 2 times 3 power by 4, and down we have 3 power by 3. If we take or cancel 3 power by 3 with 3 power by 3 from here, so the remaining will be 2 squared times 3, which is meaning 4 times 3, which equals 12. So the answer will be 12.